Good morning, I am Carlos Darío Montoya Echeverri. I am cursing English Level 3. This is my project of the Unit 8. I propose that every year there is a teaching contest to renew the teaching profession, because there are still many teachers anchored in the past, like we see in this image, the same book of Nacholet. I have a project that my school to teach disaster risk management for primary to high school, because it's very important for the students to learn about the disaster risks, because in Colombia all day the disasters appears in the landscape. From Finland, we can take the example of providing children with an educational resource that facilitate learning. I have had experience with my students throughout geography and history combined in maps and histories of famous people, for example, Achilles of the Battle of Troy. If we take teaching seriously, we can advance the development of our country. Thank you.